Welcome to our guide on how to call Italy for free. In this presentation we'll be sharing various methods you can use to make calls. Several apps offer free calls to other app users. Examples include WhatsApp, Skype, and Facebook Messenger. Google Voice lets users make both local and international calls for free. The only caveat is that you need a Google Voice. Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, services use the internet instead of traditional phone line services like Viber Line. Vonage offers users a free international calling service that lets you call landline numbers in over 60 countries worldwide including Italy. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps worldwide. It also offers free voice calling to other app users. Thank you for watching our presentation on how to call Italy for free. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.